A group of Northern Kentucky apartment owners are taking Governor Andy Beshear to court. They say his order preventing evictions from being filed is illegal. And as Local 12's Christian Hauser shows us, it has some tenants refusing to pay rent.
The new owners of the Blake at Park Hills apartment complex took over earlier this year, just before the pandemic began.
A lot of people didn't pay their rent in the beginning, because of loss of jobs.
Don Brunner, president of the Greater Cincinnati Northern Kentucky Apartment Association, says landlords have been doing everything they can to help out those renters who've lost jobs or had hours cut.
If a resident is coming to us and saying, hey, I've been impacted by COVID-19, I haven't gotten my unemployment check, my stimulus check, can you work with me?
The CARES Act stopped all evictions for housing units covered under federal assistance programs or federally backed mortgages, but that expires on July 25th. But on May 8th, Governor Andy Beshear made an executive order stopping all evictions in the state due to financial hardships caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. That's created a lot of confusion for some residents.
We just had that handful of people that, has not paid their rent, that refuse to pay their rent, and even though that some of them are, buying a car or, purchase a new, big screen TVs or whatnot.
The lawsuit looks to have Beshear's order declared unconstitutional and to allow eviction proceedings to begin again. A spokesperson for Beshear sent us a statement that reads in part, the suspension of eviction does not relieve tenants' obligation to pay their rent, to pay their mortgage, or comply with any other obligation under their lease or mortgage. Brunner says the Apartment Association has offered to put tenants on an apartment plan, reducing their rent, and putting folks in touch with resources that can help with rent payments, but some just refuse to pay. In Park Hills, Christian Hauser, Local 12 News.
Attorneys filed the lawsuits in federal court in Covington today. Besides Beshear, the circuit court clerks for Boone, Campbell, and Kenton counties are also named in that suit.